everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate beauty showdown, lip liner versus lipstick. Ever wondered what the real difference is between these two makeup essentials and when you should use one over the other? Whether you're aiming for a bold statement or a perfectly sculpted pout, I've got all the tips and tricks you need. Stay tuned to discover which one is your must-have and how to use them like a pro. Let's get started. Lip liner, precision and definition. Lip liner is often seen as the unsung hero of lip makeup. It's designed to outline your lips and create a more defined shape. But the benefits of lip liner go beyond just lining your lips. By using a lip liner, you can prevent your lipstick from feathering or bleeding, especially if you're using a creamy or glossy formula. Lip liner is particularly useful when you're aiming for a sharp, well-defined look. It can enhance the natural shape of your lips or even allow you to slightly overdo them to create the illusion of fuller lips. If you're going for a long-lasting look, using a lip liner underneath your lipstick can help extend its wear. Some people even use lip liner as a stand-alone product to fill in their entire lips for a matte finish that lasts longer than many lipsticks. When choosing a lip liner, it's important to select a shade that complements or matches your lipstick. While a nude liner works well with most lipstick shades, choosing a liner that's just a tad darker than your lipstick can add dimension and make your lips appear fuller.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Lipstick color and versatility. Lipstick is without a doubt the most popular lip product out there. Available in a variety of shades, finishes, and formulas, lipstick can instantly transform your entire makeup look. Whether you're going for a bold red lip for a night out or a soft pink for a casual daytime look, lipstick offers endless possibilities. The primary purpose of lipstick is to add color to your lips, but modern formulas also include moisturizing ingredients, SPF protection, and long-lasting wear options. Matte, satin, glossy, and sheer lipsticks all have their own appeal, depending on the finish you're looking for. While matte lipsticks are known for their intense pigmentation and staying power, glossy lipstick can make your lips look plumper and more youthful. One of the advantages of lipstick is its versatility. You can build up the intensity by layering more product or blot it down for a more softer, more natural look. Lipstick can also be easily touched up throughout the day, making it a convenient choice for those on the go. Lip liner versus lipstick. Which one to choose? So which one should you choose, lip liner or lipstick? The answer really depends on the look you're going for and how long you want it to last. If precision, definition, and longevity are your priorities, lip liner is the way to go. It's perfect for those times when you want your lip color to stay in place all day without feathering or smudging. On the other hand, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to add color and enhance your overall look, lipstick is the ideal choice. It's versatile and can be applied in seconds, making it a staple in any makeup bag. For the ultimate lip look, the best approach is to use both lip liner and lipstick together. Start by outlining and defining your lips with a lip liner and then fill them in with your favorite lipstick. This combination not only gives you a polished, professional look, but also ensures that your lip color stays put for hours. Whether you're team lip liner or team lipstick, each product has its own unique benefits. Lip liner gives you precision and longevity, while lipstick offers versatility and a range of colors to suit any mood or occasion. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preferences and the look you're aiming to achieve. Why choose one when you can combine both for a stunning lip look that lasts all day?